Decarbonization demands innovative solutions. Climate-friendly hydrogen is a crucial building block on this path. As a technology company, Bosch actively shapes this transformation through key components and solutions. Here at the Bosch plant in Bamberg, we demonstrate that cutting-edge hydrogen technologies are already fully functional today. This site proudly hosts an operational electrolyzer system featuring Hybrion PEM Electrolysis stacks from Bosch. 2 of these stacks work within this container, generating about 1 ton of hydrogen per day.
We have established this hydrogen landscape from the ground up, right here on site in Bamberg, integrating our core technologies. What makes this project special? We are not just providing the core technology, our Hybrion Electrolysis stack, we also act as the operators, the infrastructure providers, and even the customers for the hydrogen we produce.
This holistic integration is key. The generated hydrogen is directly used to test our fuel cell systems for mobile applications, seamlessly intertwining hydrogen generation and application. Such a comprehensive setup allows us to experience the entire value chain firsthand. We gain invaluable real-world operating experience from manufacturing and integration to daily use. Equipped with sensor technology, the container continuously collects performance data for digital twins, future simulations, and AI-driven optimizations. This deep system know-how is priceless. It directly drives product optimization, making us a reliable partner for the emerging hydrogen economy. In this way, we drive decarbonization forward. Bosch in Bamberg is a prime example of how we develop and bring to life key technologies for a sustainable energy future. Our commitment, invented for life.